How to schedule send an email new Outlook for Windows. Here, S. How to schedule when you want an email to be delivered in the new Outlook for Windows. Select the New Mail button in the upper left. Write your email as usual and select the drop-down arrow next to Send. Now, select Schedule. Send and select one of the proposed times or select Custom Time to choose your own. I'll go with tomorrow morning. Now my email is scheduled to be delivered tomorrow at 8 a.m. I can even change it if I need to by going to the Drafts folder. To edit the message, select the drop-down arrow next to the pencil icon. Here you can choose to modify your message or send it now. Thank you for watching us.